Jen and Julie back at it again. We've reunited for the holidays.
I thought you said urinated.
We got each other a bunch of presents and we thought it would be fun to sit down here and kind of do a show and tell and explain what we got for each other as a sort of gift guide for you guys. The rules for this is that everything had to be under $30 each.
If there's someone in your family or if you have a friend who's like a foodie personality, I think there's a couple of these that you might just want to jot down.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open this one. I love the palm. This is so Jen, this like palm patterned present paper.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Is this a dual knife sharpener? What? What? Because I was like, a dildo has nothing to do with food.
No, whoa. This is a little travel on-the-go knife sharpener. I thought it would be great for you and any traveler in your life because let's say you're staying at an Airbnb or
all the time
you decide to cook somewhere and their knives are dull. Yeah, so one side of it is great so you could just run your knife right through that cross, and then the other side,
unsheath. Oh, it's a sharpening steel.
Yeah.
Oh man, that is so cool. What a little functional, it's like the size of a pen.
Exactly. Perfect to fit in your luggage.
I just realized this feels so much like Shopping Channel.
Yeah.
This little dildo pen. Okay, your turn. Pick,
which one? I'm gonna go ahead and feel. It feels like chocolate. Did I guess right?
Not even a little bit. Why are you so good at guessing? These are a Toronto-based chocolatier that I'm a huge fan of, and I love supporting their business. Yeah, so he's like an artist and he like will paint basically and then he'll pour these chocolates, but those are my favorite flavors. There's like a bergamot pistachio one, and then
orange.
There's like an apricot. Oh, I find that foodie, like the best foodie gifts are something that like is of quality.
It's chocolate, but it's extra special chocolate.
It's
so
extra.
You put a little more thought into it.
Yeah. Yay! Next, I'm gonna open this one.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
It's a really good one.
Is it a good one? It's thin, it feels like a magazine, like a cookbook.
Little cookbook.
Ooh la la! Oh, cool! Buns and puns, a coloring book!
It's a Tastemade coloring book.
Cool!
Look at the back.
Oh, it's a little...
Cause
I hate us so much. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. In my mind, this is perfect for road trips.
Oh yeah.
Slash also just like de-stressing.
And you don't have to color the banana yellow. You could go, hey, I love a pink banana. This is your opportunity.
Jen's coming up with some revolutionary ideas here for you folks.
Yay! Okay, I'm guessing a lip balm.
What is wrong with you? Did you look beforehand?
No, I didn't.
I got you, girl. I got you.
It's a Frida Kahlo lip balm. You know me so well.
I
It's a surreal citrus flavor.
Yeah.
Clever. This is really great. I do like a bright fruity lip balm.
Yeah?
Because it's something that you could lick and snack on.
I will be honest with you, I didn't buy this because of the quality of the lip balm. I bought this solely because it said Frida Kahlo. And I just know, Jen, anything that has Frida Kahlo on it is right up your alley.
Perfect.
That'll make you so happy.
Yay!
Okay, next, I'm gonna open, which one? Is it a little bottle of milk? Oh, I love it. I love it so much. I know exactly what this is because I have one in my bathroom right now. It is a Christmas edition of Poopery.
Oh, it's the holidays. You're eating lots of food, different people's houses. Somebody may not cook a dish properly and you've got to jet to the bathroom. Pop this in.
Or some people have to dump and unload mid-meal. in order to refill. I've been there. I mean, it smells delicious, by the way. I love it.
You know, just...
Nope, don't do that. Yay! Okay, your turn.
Ooh.
These are a pair. These go together.
Okay.
What do you think it is, Jen?
Pair, like salt and pepper shakers, like a big set. You know, just
the biggest salt and pepper shake. They do have weight to them. I'll give her that. It's just a full hand, and you just.
I see a butt. Oh, it's a mug. I like big cups, and I cannot lie. It's a Tastemade mug.
Yeah, it's a cute Tastemade mug.
Cute. Then
they have so many different designs, by the way. I think these are all like Tastemade illustrations.
Yeah, those are so fun. I save all of those. I like how you chose the butts, because you like my butt.
I do, I really do. All I can smell is poopery right now. Yay! Okay, last present from Jen. I'm pumped! Great! I'm gonna need the poopery! I have to say, this is my favorite flavor. So for those of you that don't know, this is a Korean ramen. It's like a spicy hot chicken. These ones have kind of like almost like a Kraft mac and cheese, powdered cheese that goes on top of them with a little bit of seaweed. The flavor is outstanding. 12 hours later, you're gonna want, where to go? You're gonna want one of these. Yay!
I've got one more. This is a very interesting shape.
What's your guess,
I feel like
Jen?
it's a stocking of some sort. What do you call them?
Tights?
Pantyhose, there you go.
Pantyhose. That word makes most people very comfortable, so I like to say it a lot. Yeah, I know.
Scratch and sniff stickers.
That's how I do scratch and sniff. So there's two flavors.
Okay.
There is this frozen treats, strawberry scented, and cola. Jen and I are 12-year-olds at heart, so I knew this was gonna tickle your fancy, so to speak.
And my fancy is quite tickled.
Is it?
Very.
Good, I'm glad you're tickled. Who doesn't love stickers though?
Nice, scratchy. Ooh.
This one's potent.
You can even put these in a Tastemade coloring book. Pop them in.
Pop them in, boom.
Complete gift right there. Thank you so much for all these wonderful presents.
Yeah, thank you.
I hope that you guys got some inspiration from this for your foodie family and friends out there. And make sure to check out the Tastemade store. That's tastemade.com/store so you could find goodies like this here.
You better believe it.